In this video, I'm going to show you the simple and proven method I use it to generate $139,753 in commissions last year with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from Instagram. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Instagram, how we can find good and a profitable product that you should start promoting as an affiliate marketer with Amazon, how we can use free traffic, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. Okay, this commission made with free traffic. Anyway, this is my Amazon affiliate account, as you can see. And for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account. So what you will do, you will go to Google and you will search for Amazon Associate. Click on this link over here and you will be directly in this page. Click on sign up and here you go. Click on create your Amazon account, and as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Okay, super easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate. So this will be your Amazon Associate affiliate account. Okay, and you should see your commissions here, bounties, summary here, and so on. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable product that you should start promoting on Instagram to earn commissions. So what you will do next, just go and open your Amazon account like this. Okay, after you finish your sign up process with Amazon affiliate, open Amazon account, amazon.com like this. Okay, and now I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate product that I'm promoting on Instagram Reels that got me so much commissions. Okay, because a lot of people are facing this problem and it's a big problem for a lot of people and millions of people every single day using Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and so much more to search for solution for this problem. Okay, and the problem is it's losing weight. Okay, it's weight. Okay, and the problem is weight loss. Okay, so what you will do, click on the search and search for lose weight. Okay, search for this product, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step, and here you go. This is what I'm talking about. I'm not just talking, and I'm giving you the proof. You guys can see we will find a lot. You will find a lot of product here, a lot of sellers providing this product. Okay, a lot of people searching for how to lose weight fast. Okay, and those products on Amazon help people to lose weight fast. Look at this one. Over 100,000 people paid for this one multiple times. Okay, meaning that this product is working and people loving this product and it's working for them and they are keeping buying those products. You guys can see over 100,000 people paid for this one. This is the proof it's working and a lot of people are buying those products. And you guys, you just need, if you are doing Amazon affiliates and you are not choosing a good product that solve problems for people, you will never make commissions. You need to, it's like you get what you give. You need to solve problems for people. That's how you can get paid and make so much money. So for example, let's choose this one. You see this one? This one is good, bestseller. Over 100,000 people keep buying this service, this product, which is good. I will click on this one. Just click on the product and here you go. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon. What you will do next, you should see here videos. Click on videos and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here about this product, about weight loss product. Okay, you see we have a lot. Here is the video. We have more videos here, you see. So let me show you what you need to do next. Is you need to download one of those videos and you will edit this video to make it like Instagram reel and upload it. Okay, so here is what you will do next. Okay, pay close attention. Okay, you will go over here, click on this one. You need to install this extension in your laptop. Okay, and go over here to extension, go to visit Chrome Web Store and install this extension in your laptop. This one, Amazon Video Downloader. It's for free. Install this one in your Google Chrome account like this, and here you go. If you click on this extension like this, you will find a lot of videos here about from this product page on Amazon. You see, we have a lot of videos. Let's scroll down. Let me see if we can find a good video here that I can use. For example, okay, for example, I'm going to use this one. I will click on this one, download. So you just need to click on download and you will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader. And here you go. You see, we have a video. Let's check.
Hey everybody, so my name is Amy and I am doing a shoppable video over this. I have purchased this for a couple times in the last.
So this customer is giving his a review and his opinion about this product. Of course, he is satisfied with this product and he is happy. So what you will do for you, click on download video and the video will start downloading to your laptop. You see this? Pay close attention. Go to Google and search for Canva. Okay, click on the first link. Use your email address to sign up. It's for free, and it's for free. It's so simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and click on, let me show you, click on Instagram reel. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Amazon, this one. Okay, about weight loss, this one. Click on open and here you go. The video will be uploaded like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. You should know that people are paying money for those methods. I'm sharing with those methods in my YouTube channel for free, and I have a lot of advanced and new methods inside my course. I do have an affiliate marketing course for Amazon. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address and you will get access to all my profitable services, to all my profitable Amazon product that I'm promoting, how you can get free traffic and so much more. So anyway, this video will be like this. Let's continue. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background, and here you go. The video will be like an Instagram reel size. Let's check.
Hey everybody, so my name is Amy and I am doing a shoppable video over this. I have purchased this for a couple times in the last few years. It is the colon 14-day cleanse. I really do like it. There are 28 supplements in here.
You see, this customer is talking about this product. Anyway, so what you will do next, click over here on text. Scroll down, pay close attention again. Choose any text style that you want to use. I'm going to use this one. Okay, I will delete the second one here. Delete, and I will decrease the font size of this text and I will put this text here and I will click. I will write here, check link in my bio. We will put our Amazon affiliate link in our bio. Okay, like this. You see, click on element here and scroll down, go over here to ships, use this one and click on color, choose black color and put this ship behind this text like this. Okay, it's looking good. Check link in my bio. We will put our Amazon affiliate link for this product in our Instagram bio. Okay, let me see. Let's check.
It's in here and it has a 14-day supply, and
it's looking amazing. Click on share. Click on download this video to your laptop, go and open your Instagram account. Okay, open Instagram, create Instagram business page. Okay, this you need to create an Instagram business page. It's super easy and it's easy. It's just you need to use your email address. Okay, after you do that, go back to this Amazon product page, go back to this Amazon product page, click here on get link, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Copy this affiliate link and you can put this affiliate link in your bio. But it's better to start promoting a lot of Amazon products. You need to create an affiliate website, and you will need to put all those products inside your affiliate website, and in your Instagram bio put your website link there and start promoting those products that solve problems for people. You don't know that millions of people every single day on social media searching for how to lose weight. Weight loss is a big problem for millions of people, and this is the proof that this product is working. You can't tell me it's not working. You can't, like, it's almost impossible to not making commissions with this, just with this one product. This is one of my profitable product that I'm promoting. Over 100,000 people keep buying this one multiple times. Okay, here is another one. 4,000 people keep buying this one. You have a lot of products here. Look at this. You guys don't know the potential of those products. Are very profitable products. Okay, you can see this one. Over 40,000 people. This one, 6,000 people paid for this one. They keep buying. This one, you see this one, 19,000 people keep buying. And those are the product that those are the kind of product that you should focus on. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you choose or that you think it's gonna work. You will never make commissions like this. You need to promote product that can solve problems for people. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Like I said, I do have. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address. You will get everything step by step, videos, tutorial videos, explain to you step by step. Just copy and paste. Okay, teaching you everything you need to succeed in this business. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing a lot of new methods, because I'm not using just Instagram to make commissions. Of course not. I'm using YouTube Shorts. I'm using TikTok, and I'm using Pinterest and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.